Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am here with this awesome 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the ultimate family vehicle. Let me tell you why. So we have an incredibly clean body here, as you can see. We have our bright aluminum wheels. We have black accents against that silver, which looks so nice. We have the rear sliding door. And at the rear itself, we have a beautiful, beautiful lift gate here with the Dodge nicely accented in chrome. We also have a power defogging rear window for those cold, cold Canadian mornings. Coming around the side, we can see that the body is in incredible shape here. You are going to love taking all the passengers with you in this vehicle. Let's see what is on the inside. We have a really nicely spec'd interior here. We have black fabric driver and passenger seats, really in nice condition, and they have the armrests as well, making them very akin to captain's chairs. On the inside, we have our lovely Dodge branded steering wheel with our integrated cruise controls, and up front we can 39,304. That is incredibly, incredibly low, meaning that this Grand Caravan has so much life left in it. We have our radio controls here with our cruise control, or not our cruise controls, sorry, our climate controls right below it. And we have even an econ mode giving you better fuel efficiency. All the way below here, we do have our 12-volt power options, giving you a little bit of power connectivity. The interior is in incredible shape, as you can see, and let's go take a look at those rear seats. So with that sliding door open, we have our rear seats. And let me tell you, there's so much space back here. It is crazy. Everyone is going to be happy. And we even have additional storage in the seat backs with these little pouches there, giving you room to store so much stuff for your passengers. And look at just how much cargo space is in this van. We have tons of cargo storage areas, and there is so much to offer here, especially with a vehicle that is under 40,000 kilometers. What a great deal. This is such a capable vehicle, and sold certified pre-owned and has a clean Carfax. If the clean body wasn't enough, we have full transparency as well. So if you'd like to know more about this vehicle, or if you'd like to own this vehicle, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. We would be happy to give you anything you need. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.